Hello and welcome to BitBoy Crypto. I am your host, BitBoy. We are getting near the end of our $500 Bitcoin giveaway. So make sure that you are a subscriber to our channel and you're a part of our community, the Bit Squad, so you have a chance to win. You've only got a couple days left. Make sure you like and comment on this video, as well as some other ones. You get the full description down below. So we're going to be doing something today that we haven't done in a little bit, which is a wallet review. So for you guys that are regulars to our channel, you know about our series, Trade, Huddle, or Dump. It's one of my most one of the series that people like the most here on the channel. And so we recently did one where we compared Digibyte to a couple of other projects. And, I had a lot of people in the Digibyte community reach out and say, hey, you didn't give us enough love. I guess it was Nano and Litecoin. So it was Nano, Digibyte, and Litecoin. And, I hodled Nano, traded Digibyte, and I dumped Litecoin. And of course, you can watch the video and, find all the reasons why I did. But someone reached out from the Digibyte community and said, hey, I'll send you some Digibytes. Check it out. Check the wallet out. See how fast it is. And so I said, okay, I can't remember who it was that suggested it, but they did, in fact, send me some Digibytes, 29 cents worth to be exact. So I am a rich man in Digibytes. So I got the wallet, I set it up, and I'm going to show you guys a little bit about the wallet, and I'm going to be sending the Digibyte to my KuCoin wallet, and I'm going to find out how fast it takes to actually send. So as you guys can see here, we have the Digibyte wallet. It is at the bottom of my folder here. So I'm going to open it. Now I've got to put my PIN in. So you have a PIN that goes along with your wallet. As you guys can see, I have 10 Digibyte. I guess the plural is Digibytes. Digibyte is the name, but Digibytes is the plural. So as you guys can see, I already have my personal PIN set up. Now, my original plan with this video was to actually show you guys from the very beginning how to set a new wallet, including your PIN, your 6-digit PIN, and also how to set up your private key and your seed phrase and things like that. But unfortunately, I tried to do that just now, and this wallet tells me that if I want to start a new wallet, I'll never be able to access my current wallet again from this device. So I can't actually do that right now. As you guys can see, I do have my Honey Miner pop socket on, which is freaking awesome. I spent $10 on one at Best Buy and I ended up throwing it away 20 minutes later because it kept falling off. But went to the Honey Miner booth at Voices of Blockchain and got this sweet one, and I really like it. So, but here we are. We have the wallet. As you guys can see, I've got 10 Digibytes in there. It's worth 29 cents. Let's look at some of the settings here. So the first thing you have is Security Center, and this is version 1.0.1. So let's click Security Center. It says enable all security features for maximum protection. Let's go ahead and hit the Touch ID. I love Touch ID. Basically, this is where you use your thumbprint. Someone would have to basically chop my thumb off, which, some people may be prone to do that. I'm not really sure. I don't know. It's a nice thumb. I'm no George Costanza. I'm not a hand model, but I have been told that I have soft hands. They're keyboard hands. That's really weird. Don't tell anybody I said that. Oh, crap. It's on YouTube. What the heck? Okay. All right. So we've gone to the Security Center. Let's go back there. This is where you set your PIN, your recovery key, which is like a seed phrase, and the Touch ID. Then we also have on the left side settings. So in the settings, you can start another wallet or recover one. But like I said, it says I'll never be able to access my current funds from this device, so I'm not going to do that. Send max button visible. Yes, I want to do that because whenever I send, I usually will send the max. Hide Digibyte logo and QR codes. That's fine. I'm going to keep that off. Touch ID spending limit. If you have a lot of Digibytes, you might want to set that. Display currency, sync blockchain, update PIN, about, leave us a review. Let's click advanced and see what else is on here. Digibyte nodes. Switch to manual mode. Not really worried about that. So that basically is all of the settings. Okay. Now let's go to the actual wallet itself here. Well, this is the transaction log. So my transaction log, I received 10 Digibytes here. The date, August 27th at 8:04 p.m. complete. That shows a little bit of the actual confirmations in the block, the ID, the amount, the starting balance, the ending balance, and things like that. So sent, obviously I don't have any sent. I can click received here, and obviously that's going to be the same thing as all because I only have one transaction. So at the bottom, you can actually see there is a plus sign or addition sign, a thumbprint, and a QR code. Now, to my knowledge, it looks as if the QR code and the thumbprint actually do the same thing. But we're going to start with the plus button here. This is where you see your address. You can click my address, and of course, you do have the option to leave the logo out. So there's that. Then you can also start a transaction with the send or the receive. So we will actually be sending a transaction here in just a minute. So we're actually going to be using the QR code and KuCoin to send the transaction. So that's when we're going to use the QR scanner, but let's go ahead and start the transaction. We're going to hit send. Okay, we're going to need the address. So, okay, let's see here. Let me click off that. The address, there we go. Let's hit scan. Okay, we'll go ahead and just scan that. God, these QR codes are so fast at reading. It doesn't even have to scan the entire thing. It just always blows me away. So there you go. You can paste it. Obviously, you don't have to just scan. So let's hit max. Okay, memo. We're going to hit test. Now let's see if it sends. Maybe there's a minimum amount. Let's see here. Nope. Confirmation. Send. PIN required. So I need to put my PIN in. All right. I did that. There we go. The Digibyte is sent. So I'll be back on here in just a minute to tell you how long the transaction took. So as you guys can see, I sent my Digibyte to my address. It only took about a minute to get to the complete status. And if I go and look on the block, it says that it was pretty much mined and then sent immediately. However, I'm still waiting for it to get in my KuCoin address. As you guys know, when you work with exchanges, sometimes it takes a long time. Here on the app, it shows 56 confirmations. If I actually pull up the block, it shows 64. So I don't know if this is a little behind or what. But either way, the transaction went through very, very quick. So good experience. I think that it's very important for all these projects to have mobile wallets. I don't think mobile wallets are the most secure place to keep your crypto, but I do believe that mobile wallets are the easiest way to keep your crypto, which isn't always best. But when we're looking about adoption and people coming into the space, they're going to want mobile wallets. Let's face it, guys. You have your whole life on this thing pretty much. So, I think it is important to have a good wallet. So maybe I should do a full review on Digibyte. I haven't done a full review on it. Maybe I should do that maybe next week or the week after. So now that we've done the wallet review. So thanks everybody so much for watching. Pretty simple video tonight. No, obviously not a lot to this wallet, as most wallets don't have a ton of options and a ton of features, but that's good because they're really only supposed to do a couple things: send, receive, and hold, right? So thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not a member of our community, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Also hit the bell for notifications. Until next time, BitBoy out.